So the next one, we'll look at insurance. So if there's any insurance that the company uses or the hospital uses, this is where you add them. And you can see the summary at the top. So this is so far it's only one that I've added, which is national health insurance. So you click on the new policy and then you enter the policy name, you enter the insurance company name, you select it, and then the maximum coverage for expenses for the insurance, and then you specify what type it is, whether it's for individual, family, corporate, student, or senior citizens. And then you specify whether it's active, inactive, blah, 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 whatever it is, you specify it. Then deductible amount and then coverage percentage. You enter it and then you enter the policy description. That is what the policy covers. And then you can also check these values, covers hospitalization, covers surgery, covers medication, covers lab tests. Once you fill in everything that is here, you click on save to save new insurance policy. So once it's saved, it will appear here. If it doesn't appear here, it means it's not saved. Once it is saved here and you want to make changes, you can click on the pencil button and then you can make modification how you want it. And then once you are done, you click on save policy and then it saves. If you want to delete it, you just click on delete to delete, and that is it. So that is for insurance setup, insurance setup, insurance setup.